Hey folks, our air compressors are critical to our factory's daily operations, so maintaining them and keeping the area clean is essential. But we needed a better way to manage the weekly cleaning and upkeep process. It was a perfect candidate for improvement because it was slow, wasteful, and added unnecessary strain on our team. Let me explain. The first process was cleaning the floors. To get water, our operator had to leave the compressor room on the third floor and walk down the hallway to the elevator. The nearest water source was on the second floor, so he'd wait for and ride the freight elevator, which is designed for heavy loads, not speed. On the second floor, he'd cross the entire length of the building to get to the water tap. After filling his basin, he'd retrace his steps back to the elevator, going slower this time to avoid spillage. Then he'd wait another 85 seconds to go back up, and finally walk the distance to the compressor room. In total, it was about 250 meters of walking, 370 steps, and nearly 7 minutes of wasted time just to start cleaning. So to fix the problem, we installed a water line and a cleaning sink right inside the compressor room. Now, instead of all the walking, the operator has water and cleaning equipment right at the point of use. This cut the cleaning prep time to near zero and eliminated all the wasteful motion. The second wasteful process was cleaning the compressor filters. These filters are mounted high up, requiring a ladder to access them safely. That meant the operator had to leave the compressor room, walk to the elevator, and wait to ride it all the way down, this time to the ground floor, which takes about 95 seconds. Once he reached the bottom, he had to cross to the adjacent building just to fetch the ladder. Then it was the same routine in reverse. Back to the original building, 95 seconds up the elevator, and back to the compressor room, all while hauling a heavy ladder. Altogether, that's 134 meters of walking, around 200 steps, and over 5 minutes wasted every single time. So to solve this burden, we repurposed an old set of rolling stairs that we no longer needed in our warehouse and stationed them permanently in the compressor room. Now the operator can clean the filters anytime without delay, and the solution costs us nothing. These two small changes wiped out over 12 minutes of wasted time per session and created a faster, safer, and leaner process. It's a great example of continuous improvement in action. Simple, practical, and high impact. Thanks so much.